pencil, etc. Okay. So what is singular? When we are talking about one thing, that is what is called singular. Whether it can be a thing, it can be a person, it can be a place, okay, or animal, whatever it can be, but it should be a one thing. Okay, now plural. Plural. So what do you mean by plural? Plural is when we are talking about many. Okay, just see, when we are talking about many, so it is plural. When we are talking about many things, then it can be of person, we are talking about person, places, animals, or things. So it is what is called plural. Now what will be the plural in this? In singular it is book. So what will be the plural of book? It will be books. Okay. What will the plural of copy? It will be copies. What will be the plural of pencil? It will be pencils. Got it? So have you understood what is singular and what is plural? What is singular and plural? Singular is what? When we are talking about one thing, like book, copy, pencil, eraser, dish, anything. And plural is what? When we are talking about many. जब हम बहुत सारी चीजों के बारे में बात करते हैं. In for nursery class, in your UKG, you must have studied one many. One many आपने पढ़ा था? One and many. In UKG, you must have studied one and many. When we are talking about one thing, it is singular. And when we are talking about many things, it is plural. One many आपने given and many you have to written, right? Or many was given and one you have to write. So, like this. Now just see the example. Aunt. What will be the plural of aunt? What will be the plural of aunt? It will be aunts. Okay. Second one. Just see in your book. Just see in your book. Okay, burger, burgers. When we are talking about one burger, it will be burger. जब हम we are talking about many, it will be burgers. Now same way, carrot. One carrot, gajar. So and when we are talking about many, it will be carrots. Fork. Fork and knife होते हैं कांटे वाला जिससे हम खाते हैं. Fork. And then we are talking about many, it will be forks. Net. When we are talking about one net, and when we are talking about many nets. Sharpener. Sharpener, जिससे आप pencil sharp करते हो. Then many sharpeners. Okay, one many it is like. Now just see this one. Camel. You can see it in your book. I'm just showing you because you can see it in your book. Camel, camels. When we are talking about one camel, it is camel. When we are talking about many, it will be camels. Doll. When we are talking about one doll, it is one doll. And dolls, we will put S in that. Then mat, mats. Pen, pens. Spoon, spoons. Got it, all of you? Now, in this, what you have to do? Just see this. Just focus on this. Okay, we will do this exercise on the board. Okay. All of you have understood what is singular and plural? सबको समझ में आ गया? What is singular and plural? Now we'll do the A exercise. All of you are having the pencil with yourself? Be ready with your pencil. So what you have to do, draw a circle around a singular noun that means one and mark a tick on the plural. What we have to do? In singular, what we have to do? In singular, we have to circle it. Okay. And in plural, what we have to do? We have to, plural, we have to do a tick. So first one we'll do. First one is purse. Purse. Tent. Medal. First one is purse, tent, medal. Got it, all of you? Now what you have to do in this? You have to just see which one is singular and which one is plural. So what is purse is, since we are talking about one purse, so it is singular. Tent, again we are talking about one, it is in singular. We have to make a tick. Whoa, circle. Okay, then when we are talking about medal, again it is a singular, so we'll circle it. Then again second one, in second it is written cameras. Cameras. Dog and scarf is given. What is given in third one? Second line, cameras, dogs and scarves. So what we have to do in this, what is camera? We are talking about many camera because S is here. So what we will do, we'll tick over here. We'll put a tick over there. Now dog, again we are talking about one thing. So we will just circle that dog. Now scarf, again we are talking about one thing. So it will be scarf. Now second one, third one, trees. Robot, robot and swords. Swords. So again you can see that what it is, that is trees, robot and scarves. Okay, so what we will do, trees, since trees are many, you can see that many trees are there. So what we will do, we will we will see, we'll put a circle in this tree. No, not circle. We will, because we are talking about many trees. So what it will be, we'll put a tick in this. What we will do, we'll put a tick in this. Okay. Now robot. Robot. Again, you can see robot. We are talking about one robot, so it will be singular. So we'll put a circle in there. Then swords. We are talking about many swords, since S is there. So what we will do, we will put a tick in that. All of you have understood? Trees, since we are talking about many trees, so we have put trees, tick in that. Robot, since we are talking about one thing, singular thing, so we had put circle in that. And since we are talking about sword, S is there, so it will be swords. Got it, all of you? All of you have understood? Now let's go for the next one, wolf. Next one is wolf. Now what is wolf? Wolf, whether we are talking about one wolf or many wolf, we are talking about one wolf. So it will be circle. Got it? What it will be? It will be circled. Okay. Now second one is tree. Again, you must have seen that we have talked about tree where it was tree. Since S was put in this, we were talking about many trees. So it is plural. But here we are talking about one tree. So what it will be? It will be हम एक ट्री के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, सो इट विल बी सर्कल. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज eggs. Again eggs. So what we are talking about? We are talking about many. So what we'll do? We'll put a tick. हम बहुत सारे eggs के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, so it will be eggs. So it is plural. Got it, all of you? Now tickets. You purchase the tickets ना? You purchase the ticket of bus. You purchase the ticket of train. So again we are talking about many. Since S is here, we are talking about बहुत सारे tickets के बारे में. So it will be tick. It is plural. What it is? It is plural. The same way, candles. Candles, again we are talking about many candles. Candles means मोमबत्ती जो होती है, that. So we are talking about many. So what we'll put? Plural. Since it is S is there, we are talking about बहुत सारी candles के बारे में. So it will be plural. Okay. Now third one is, last one is cherry. Cherry, when you have ice creams, or when you take that cake, you have see that cherry is then that cake. So that is what, since we are talking about one cherry, एक cherry के बारे में बात करें, तो what we will do? We'll circle this, because we are talking about one cherry. Got it, all of you? So all of you have understood how we have done singular and plural. Again, I'm just repeating that. Purse, tent. Since purse is one, so it is singular. Tent is one, it is singular. Medal is one, it is singular. Dog is one, it is singular. Scarf is one, it is singular. Robot is one, it is singular. Wolf is one, it is singular. Tree is one, it is singular. And cherry is one, it is singular. So all these I have underlined, I have circled, these are one thing. One, एक होते हैं, ये एक हैं सारे. So it is singular. It is called singular. Okay, children. One many means singular plural. One many you must have studied in LKG, UKG. So same thing is that one many is singular and plural. One is for singular and many is for plural. Got it? Now we'll see the plural. Cameras. We are talking about many cameras. बहुत सारे कैमरे के बारे में. So it is plural. We are talking about many swords. So it is plural. Then trees. We are not talking about one tree. Here we was talking about one tree. Here we are talking about many trees. So it is plural. Got it? Then sword. Sword means तलवार जो होती है, that. So we are talking about many. So it will be plural. Okay, we'll take that. Then in eggs, we are talking about many eggs. We are not talking about one egg. We are talking about many eggs because S is there. So it is plural. Now tickets. We are not talking about one ticket. It is of many tickets. So that's why tickets. Now again, candles. We are not talking about many. We are talking about many candles. We are not talking about one candle. So S is there. So it will be plural. So have you understood? All of you have noted down this answer? I'm rubbing the board. Okay. All of you have noted down the answer. You note down. Tomorrow afterwards, when I rub the board, I will not tell you the answer. And if you don't get it, you will get it in the portal. Don't worry about that. I will put all the answers in your portal. So we have done with this exercise. Now let's go for the B exercise. Now let's go for the B exercise. B1. What we have to do in this? B1, add S to each word to make it many. One has been done for you. What we have to put? We have to put S in that. हमें क्या करना है? We have to put S. What we have to do? We have to put S in that. One, many. One is done. One Bengal. One Bengal means One chudi, one bengal mummy pehenti hai na, that is what is called bengal. One bengal. So what will be the plural of that? Many bengals. Got it? Now this one was done for you in that book only. Now one doll. When we are talking about one doll, so what will be? Okay, I just want the answer from you. Who will tell me the answer? Raise your hand. What will be the plural of one doll? Plural of one doll. Kashvi. Okay, Kashvi. Plural of one doll. What will be the plural of one doll?
Dolls.
Many dolls. What it will be? Many is written.
Many
So
dolls.
I am just writing dolls.
Many
So what
dolls.
it will be? Yes, many dolls. Okay, Kashvi, mute yourself. Now, next one. Kashvi, mute yourself. Third one. One dog. Now we are talking about one dog. So what will be the plural of one dog? Arav Bansal. Yes, Arav Bansal. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what will be the plural of one dog?
One dog. क्या many के आगे क्या है?
Yes, when we are talking
One.
about one dog, it is one dog. When we are talking about many dogs, so how we will
Dog.
write? Dog.
Dog.
We'll put S in that. Many is written in the book, so you write that many dogs. Mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next one, fourth one. One bear. Okay, we are talking about one bear. One bear. One bear. So what will be the plural of one bear? Okay, who will tell me the answer of this? Shivangi Goel. Okay, Shivangi, tell me the answer of this. One bear. Yes, Shivangi.
Many.
Many.
Many what? Beta, many is given. Many what? We are talking about one beer. So क्या हो जाएगा?
Many.
It will be. Yes, it will be many beers. I'm not writing many over there because many is written in your book. That's why I'm only just writing beers.
Yes.
Got it? Mute yourself. Now one bun. One bun. Bun you eat? Yash Garg. Yes, one bun. So what? Yeah, one. Yash Garg, and mute yourself. Yes, Yash Garg.
Many buns.
Yes, many buns. What it will be? Many buns. Yes, Yashgar, many buns. Okay, mute yourself. Now, sixth one. Mute yourself. One chip. One chip. One chip. We are talking about one chip. Who will tell me the answer of this? Goranshi. Okay, Goranshi. One chip. So what will be the plural of this? Yes, Goranshi, unmute yourself. What will be the plural of one chip? Goranshi, unmute yourself. What will be the plural of chip? Goranshi, unmute yourself. Beta, you otherwise,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, Goranshi. What will be the plural of one chip?
Many chips.
Yes, many chips. What will be the plural of one chip? It will be many chips. Got it, Goranshi? Okay, Goranshi, mute yourself. Many chips we have done. Now, seventh one. One eye. Who will tell me the answer of this? One eye. Darsh Agarwal. Darsh Agarwal. Unmute yourself. One eye. We are talking about how many eye? We are talking about one eye. So what will be the plural of this? Darsh, unmute yourself. Yes, Darsh, your voice is not coming, beta. Okay, Darsh, I'm muting you. Okay, Shreyansh. Shreyansh Garg.
Yes,
Shreyansh
ma'am.
Garg. Haan, yeah. Yes, Shreyansh, what will be the plural of one eye? What will be the
Eyes.
plural? Many eyes. What it will be? Many eyes.
Eyes.
Okay.
E-Y.
Yes.
E-S.
Yes, many eyes. Okay, mute yourself. Now, eighth one. One hand. We are talking about one hand. So what will be the plural of one hand? Who will tell me the answer of this? Kanak. Kanak,
Yes,
unmute
ma'am.
yourself. What will be the plural
Yes,
of one hand?
ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, only hands.
Many hands. Many is given in your book. Just see, many is given in your book. That's why many
Yes,
hands. I
ma'am.
am writing only
Many hands.
hands. Okay. Mute yourself. Okay, now let's go for the ninth one. One pot. Who will tell me the answer of this? One pot. Riyansh. Riyansh Gupta.
Yes, ma'am.
One pot. One. When we are talking in singular, it is one pot. So what will be the plural of this?
Many pots.
Yes, many pots. Very good. Many pots. So all of you have understood? One pot and many pots. So just see, if you have not done, just check it out. One bangle, when we are talking about one bangle, it is one bangle. When we are talking about many, so we'll put many bangles. Many is written in your books. That's why I'm not writing on the board. Okay. One doll, when we are talking about one doll, it is one doll. When we are talking about many, so we'll put S in that and it will become many dolls. Okay. The same way, when we are talking about one dog, okay, so it will be one dog. And when we are talking of many, we'll put S and it will become many dogs. One bear, when we are talking about one bear, bear means bhalu. So it will be one bear. When we are talking about many, it will be, we'll put S in that and it will become bears. Okay. Now one bun. When we are talking about one bun, it is one. And when we are talking about many, it will be many buns. What it will be? It will be many buns. Same way, one chips. One chips. When we are talking about one chips, it will be one chips. We are talking about many, it will be put S in that and it will become many chips. What it will become? It will become many chips. Okay. Now seventh one. One eye. एक आंख के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So it will be one eye. And when we are talking about many, it will be many eyes. What it will be? It will be many eyes. The same way, one hand. Same way it is one hand. Talk about one hand is one hand. And when we are talking about many, we'll put S in that and it will become many hands. बहुत सारे hands. Okay. Same way, pot. One pot. We're talking about one pot. एक बर्तन के बारे में बात करें, so we'll say one pot. And when we are talking about many, we'll put S in that and it will become pots. So all of you have understood singular and plural. Two exercise we have done, A and B exercise we have done. So this is the how the S is put. हमने कौन सी exercise इसमें exercise किसकी करी थी? We have done the exercise of S1. Okay, we have done the exercise of S. So if you are having now any problem regarding this, you can raise your hand. If you have not understood singular plural, you can raise your hand. I just want to know. All of you have understood? If you have understood, no one is having problem regarding singular plural. So tomorrow I will be explaining this chapter, other plural and singular. So if you are having problem regarding, if you have not taken the screenshot, you can take the screenshot. Or if you are having problem regarding this, so just let me know. Yes, children. If you are having problem regarding this, आपको plurals नहीं समझ में आए, singular you have not understood, so just let me know. So I will explain you. Okay. So who will tell me what is singular? Who will tell me what is singular? Raise your hand. Just let me know what is singular. Raise your hand. What do you mean by singular? Yes, Arav Bansal. Yes, Arav, unmute yourself. Yes, Arav Bansal, you have to. Yes, Arav.
How?
Arav, where are you roaming?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by singular? What is singular?
जिसमें ES नहीं लगता सिर्फ S लगता है.
No, wrong. I am talking what is singular. Singular किसे कहते हैं? What is singular?
मैडम देख रही है ना?
Arav.
बोलो ना.
Yes, ma'am.
What is singular? मैंने अभी just now I have explained you what is singular. I just want to know what is singular. Singular का मतलब क्या होता है? What do you mean by singular? No, जिसमें S नहीं लगता. No, singular means when we are talking about one thing. जब हम एक के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. One. When we are talking about one many आपने पढ़ा था. You must have studied one many in UKG.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
तो what जब हम एक के बारे में बात करते हैं, that is what is called singular. Got it, Arav? Yes or no, Arav?
Yes,
Why are
ma'am.
you not paying attention? So what is singular? You have got it. Singular is that when we are talking about one thing. जब हम एक के बारे में बोलते हैं, that is what is called singular. Got it? Okay, mute yourself now. Now, what is plural? Divya Goel. Okay, Divya Goel, unmute yourself. बताओ, many.
Many things.
Yes, when we are talking about many things or one, more than one or more than one thing. जब हम एक के ज़्यादा के बारे में बात करते हैं, that is what is called many things. Okay? Okay, Divya. Okay, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay, can you give me one example of singular? Who will give me the example of singular? Gauranshi. Yes. Yes, Gauranshi. Examples of singular. Any example you can give. Yes, Gauranshi, you can give any example. Okay, Gauranshi is not unmuting. Okay, Angel. Angel, unmute yourself. I will ask anyone now. Beta, what is the example of singular? Give me one example. 1, 2 examples.
उसमें S नहीं लगता.
हाँ तो give me one example. उसके एक example बताओ. Word बताओ जिसमें S नहीं लगता है.
Potato.
Potato. Okay, so that is what is called singular. Very good. Very good. Mute yourself. Okay, now who will tell me the example of Manya Singh? Unmute yourself. Manya, unmute yourself. Example of plural. Manya saying. Manya, give me the example of plural. Yes, Manya. What will be the example of plural? कोई, हाँ?
Bakers.
Bakers. Very good. What? Why bakers? Bakers क्यों हैं? Why it is bakers?
ये many है.
Why? कैसे पता चला कि ये many है? How can you know that it is many?
क्योंकि इसमें s लगा है.
Very good answer. This is the correct way to give the answer. Okay. Very good. Manya, because we have put S in that bakers, that is why it is called bakers. Got it? Yes, Manya. Very good. Mute yourself. Okay. Madhav. Tanu Garg. Okay. Tanu Garg. Unmute yourself. Tanu Garg. Tanu, unmute yourself. Yes. Tanu. Okay, Tanu. Okay. Umang Goel. Umang Goel, unmute yourself. Umang Goel.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What will be the plural of pencil? What will be the plural of pencil?
No, ma'am. Pencil.
Pencil. What we will put in that? What we will put in that?
Pencil.
Beta Umang.
Pencil.
Pencils. What we will put? We will put S in that. What we will put? We will put
Pencil.
S in that. S लगा देंगे तो
Yes,
it will
लगे.
become plural.
Yes,
So how we are doing?
बोलो.
Have you understood,
बोलो.
Umang?
Yes.
Umang. Okay.
बोलो.
Okay, mute yourself. Okay. Now have you understood? When we are putting, we are removing S, it is singular. जब हम S हटा देते हैं तो it is singular. And when we are putting S in that, it becomes plural. Got it, all of you? Okay, tomorrow I will revise this chapter again. Now I will do the further exercise. हम आगे की exercise करेंगे. So, yes, Goranshi is having any problem is there regarding the chapter, you just let me know. Goranshi, unmute yourself. Tomorrow we will do other exercises. Okay? Goranshi, you have to unmute yourself. Okay, Goranshi is not unmuted.
Yes, ma'am.
Goranshi. Yes. Is there any problem, Goranshi?
No, ma'am.
You have understood singular plural?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we'll continue with the chapter tomorrow. Okay, so today I'm ending the class. We'll meet tomorrow.